students, welcome to maths class. In chapter ratio and proportion, we have already done introduction of ratio, understand how to express ratios in simplest form. Today we are going to continue with equivalent ratios. Let's understand with examples. Here, find two equivalent ratios of the following. Here statement is 2:5. Here we want to find out two equivalent ratios. Now equivalent ratios are same as equivalent fractions. So here 2:5 we can express as 2/5. First of all, we will multiply it by 2/2. Here it comes 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So in ratio we will write 4:10. Then we will multiply it by 3/3. Here 2/5 multiply 3/3 gives 6/15. And in ratio we will write it as 6:15. Therefore 2:5 equals to 4:10 equals to 6:15. Now let's see one more example. Here find three equivalent ratios of 1:2. So what is statement? 1:2. And here we have to find out three equivalent ratios. So for that, first of all we will multiply it by 2/2, then 3/3, then 4/4. So here it comes 1/2 multiplied 2/2, which gives 2/4. So how we can write it in ratio? 2:4. Then 1/2 multiply 3/3. 1 times 3 equals to 3. 2 times 3 equals to 6. So here it comes 3:6. Then 1/2 by 4/4. So 1 times 4 equals to 4. 2 by 4 equals to 8. In ratio here it comes 4:8. Now at the end it comes 1:2 equals to 2:4 equals to 3:6 equals to 4:8. Now let's see one more topic. Here, pick out the ratio which is not equivalent to others. Now statement is 1:2, 6:12, 9:27, 10:20. Now here as you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ratios are given and you have to check that which ratio is not an equivalent ratio. So how to check it? First of all, write 1:2. What is the other way to write it? 1/2. Here, further cutting is not possible. So, here we will write 1:2. What is the next ratio? 6:12. So 6:12 can be expressed as 6/12. Now do cutting. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. In simplest form it comes 1:2. Now the next ratio is 9:27. So we can express it as 9 upon 27. Now do cutting. 9 ones are 9. 9 threes are 27. Here in simplest form it comes 1:3. Next one is 10:20. So 10 upon 20. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. In simplest form it comes 1:2. Now in these four ratios, which one is not equivalent? 1:3. That means 9:27 is the ratio that is not equivalent to others. So therefore 9:27 is not equivalent to other ratios. Now let's learn to find missing ratio. Whenever question will come, fill in the blanks. 1:2 equals to blank ratio 4. First of all, express it as fraction form. 1/2 equals to, at the place of blank you will put box upon 4. Now, you will see here in the table of 2, where 4 will come? At 2. That means we will multiply numerator also by 2. When you will multiply numerator by 2, here it comes 1 2s are 2. So what will come? 1:2 equals to 2:4. Let's see one more example. 3:5 equals to 12:blank. So we can write it as 3/5 equals to 12 upon box. So here in table of 3, 12 will come at 4. So similarly we will multiply 5 also by 4. So here it comes 5 4s are 20. So at the end you will write 3:5 equals to 12:20. Let's see one more example. 6:10 equals to 3:blank. You can express it as 6 upon 10 equals to 3 upon box. Now see, 6 is bigger than 3. So, we cannot multiply 6 by any number to get 3. What we will do here? Here we will divide it. So by which number we will divide it to get 3? Here I will divide 6 by 2 to get 3. Therefore, similarly I will divide 10 by 2 to get my answer. So here it comes 5. Therefore, 6:10 equals to 3:5. Now let's see one more example. 18:27 equals to blank ratio 3. Now here 18 upon 27 equals to box upon 3. So again 27 is greater than 3. So by which number I will divide it to get 3? Yes, here I will divide it by 9. So when I will divide 27 by 9, here it comes 3. Similarly, when I will divide 18 by 9, I will get my answer. So what will come here? Here it comes 2. So at the end, 18:27 equals to 2:3. So students, today we have learned how to find equivalent ratios and how to find missing number of a ratio. So I hope with the help of this video, you all will be able to solve the related sums given in your SNAP homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.